Welcome back to Truck U. The Telluride is looking good. It's sitting up a little bit higher because we got the lift on there and we got that more aggressive tire. And the wheels, I think, look pretty awesome, too.
Yeah, it's got more of that rally look and feel to it. You know, the problem is we're going to have to let this thing sit for a little bit.
Yeah, because we're just about ready to hand it off to our buddies over at Two Guys Garage. They got some plans of some things to do with it. And then it's going off to SEMA. Now, it could sit, like you said, for, what, a month, maybe 2 months at a time. And we don't want any of the issues that could be associated with that.
You know, and SEMA's a long way off. So what we do when we have vehicles sitting for a long period of time, we want to protect basically all the stuff's going to cost a lot of money to get destroyed, all the wiring and everything else that rodents can get into. And you'd be surprised the damage that they can do when they want to nest and make your vehicle their little home. They rip the wires apart. They can chew through lines and tear up the interior. So what we always do is throw a Mouseblocker inside of it, and that makes for a very violent, uncomfortable environment.
Yeah.
So that chases them out.
They're not only great for cars because, as you said, you get a problem like that in something new, that could be very expensive. Even more expensive in your RV or like your semi-truck, even in tractors, buggies, whatever.
You name it.
So here's what we need to do. We need to get this installed, which will take all of about 30 seconds.
Right.
And then we've got something cool on the back to show you.